What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Not every USB-C charger will charge a MacBook. That's why I'm trying out this. Apple Macs usually come with a USB-C charger, and they are 30 watts, I believe, and that is enough to send enough power that the MacBooks will charge. You can actually use the much smaller charging blocks, you know, the ones that you might use with your phone, something like this, which I think is like a 12 watt. But if the computer's off and you plug it in, it will kind of trickle charge it, but it's usually not enough to run it and charge it. In fact, you'll still see your battery drain with these. Now, the problem with that is, or at least for me, is that these chargers often for the MacBooks only have the USB-C plug right there. And when I am plugging this into an outlet, usually those outlets are like gold, right? Maybe I'm in an airport or hotel and I don't have a lot of outlets working. So I would like to be able to take the one outlet and charge a variety of things as much as possible. So what we have here is a little LED light. We also have USB-C and then your typical USB plug right there. And maybe it says here, or it says right there, RAVPower. But out here, it should say that this one is 12 watt max on the regular USB-C port and then 61 watt max via the other, right? So that is pretty powerful, maybe even twice as powerful as the ones that come with the Apple products. Now, this isn't a cheap device here. It's about 30 bucks for this little power brick, which is kind of amazing. It's not particularly big. It's small. I can palm it here. It's got a nice feel. It's got actually some weight. Maybe too much weight for just plugging into a wall socket, but no, I exaggerate. I kid. But it does have some density to it, and you might be able to see here. It's a kind of a matte plastic finish, but everything about it seems pretty high quality. So what I want to do here is just confirm that it charges the MacBook. All right, so I have a double-ended USB-C cable right here. I've got my MacBook powered up and I've got it plugged in, and I'm just going to plug it into the side of the Mac. And despite my MacBook being fully charged at the moment, I just want to see, boom, look at that. It is charging, which is awesome. So hey, what's up? I'm really excited about having a single plug that I can take on the road and charge my MacBook as well as my iPhone or iPad or whatever you got, your other electronics. If you want to pick up this RAVPower charging block, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.